Okay, Bruce, go ahead. Troy goes in the fridge and helps himself to apples every now and then. He takes it out of the bottom drawer.
Whoa, it's actually cracked.
Then he brings it, and then he brings it and rinses it in the sink and stuff and eats it, right? And, you know, he goes in there for milk sometimes and tries to bring the milk out. But anyway, today I walk in the kitchen and he's banging these two eggs together. And thank God it just got a small indentation. I don't know if you can see it.
They're a little crack.
They're not cooked. They're not hard boiled.
Not at all.
What are they, Ro? They are raw eggs. What would happen if I bang these together?
It's gonna splat on you.
Splat? What would splat?
The oak.
The oak? What color is the oak?
Yellow.
Oh, the yolk? The
Oh.
yolk. Yeah.
I can't say oak.
It's okay. Love you.
What? Crackers. I know you can see it.
Now you can see it.
Here.
No, we don't want the crackers. Hold on. The computer.
But it's called Wendy's.
Wendy's. That came with the chili.
Chili hot pepper. Chili hot pepper.
Chili.
Mom, guys, show.
Chili.
Mom, stand up. Can you stand up?
Why?
I'll show them who's my
Hold on.
character.
Oh, Rowan likes the shirt because it has luchadores.
That's
Like,
me.
oh, hold on. Luchadores and ninjas on it.
I like that ninja.
Why are you pushing me?
I want to show them
Okay.
my favorite character.
All right.
Can you stand up, please?
Okay. Stand up. Okay.
Here. There.
This makes me look all
Alright.
loaded. Okay.
This dude is my favorite character.
Which one?
That dude, the ninja.
Him?
Yeah.
Why? You know what Troy kept
And
doing
Bruce?
earlier? What?
Bruce is a favorite. That's his favorite.
Did you see which one Troy kept pointing at?
What? What?
This one. He kept saying, Mom, I like this one. And I would go, ah! You like this one?
That
Yeah,
the
that one.
dizzy one.
This one right here.
The dizzy one.
Yes, pointing.
Why?
Because it tickles. Yeah, Troy liked that one.
I told him he liked it. You know, I can do that too.
That's very nice. Oh.
I'm